Hi everyone, this is an Aimsun video and a very quick one. So what I try to show you is how you can visualize turning count. So there is a very easy way to do it. So when you have a node, right click on the node and go to dynamic labels, go new and analyze your dynamic label. Here you can select count. If you don't see count, what you need to do is you need to go to your RDS and right click and retrieve it. So make sure you do that if you can't see it. So dynamic labels, new analyzer, select count. And here you can select which RDS you want to show and for what vehicle type. You can untick these because you don't really, it's just quite confusing. I think it shows a lot of more attributes and labels and stuff. The font size, I think it's okay to do like 3-4 meters. And the decimal, so for vehicle types, you probably don't want to see 5.4 vehicles. Excuse me. And you can just show the colors as well, what color you want to show it. As you can see, you can have it like that. But what if you want to do it for all nodes? So it's very easy. So first, let's just close it. So again, you can just click on it and delete. But if you don't do that, there is also an option to dynamic label close and all. So you can just click Ctrl A. By Ctrl A, you select the whole network. You can also use the table view and select in the table view the nodes you want to use this. So let's just do this. And you go back to a node, it doesn't matter which one, and right click on the node. Dynamic label new analyzer. And you just do the same here. And what you will see is it will create that for every single node. You can see that I have a lot of zeros because in my RDS I just have some examples there, so I will need to fill the correct data. But then what you can do is, again, you can just click on the node, dynamic label close, and you can just click all, and that way you can delete all. So I think it's a very easy and very helpful tool. It's very good that you can visualize all kinds of stuff, and also, you can use this dynamic analyzer to do some other stuff, but probably the best is to just for the count. Probably that's the more useful. You can also like show a percentage if you keep it on, but I don't know how useful that is or what's the point. It can get very busy, I think, on the screen. But anyway, that's for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.